Long after the Kinemetrix team had gone home to their families, a clever elf decided to make mischief. Riding an xBot Planar servo pallet looked like fun. High-speed positioning to any point on a plane, free from friction and cables. Levitating on an air gap, perfect for clean applications. 6 degree of freedom fine adjustment for precise positioning tasks. xBot technology simplifies complex mechanisms to a single moving part. Multiple xBots operate in parallel like a conventional assembly conveyor. This is more fun than sleigh riding. Kinemetrix can help you up your small part assembly game. Contact us to learn more.